All right, hello and welcome. April Ray here, CEO and founder of the Introvert Mogul Studios. Thank you so much for joining me. So really quick, I wanted to shoot this quick video about Facebook ads. I recently did a video views ad in Facebook, and I think that's fairly new. I heard about it through one of the leaders in our MLSP community, Mark Harbert, and he said that these ads are like the cheapest ads. They're like the best thing on the planet. And so I said, okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do one. So basically what I did was I used a regular video that I put and I embedded as a Facebook status. I did two things. I boosted it. So I wanted to see the difference. I boosted it just from the page. And from there, I got about 1,000 views. I think I got 168 clicks or something like that, and I got 68 clicks from that. And I got a couple of opt-ins. So that was pretty good. And I believe it was only 1 cent a click. And I'm going to show you the stats as soon as I kind of give you an overview. So then I took the same video that you see right here, and I made an ad out of it. And I chose the video views ad. So what I'm going to do is, if you're going to do an ad, you just go over to the top of your Facebook page where you see this little upside down triangle, click on it. And normally I go to manage ads, but if you've never done an ad, you can just go to create ads. And sometimes you can just go to create ads anyway, especially if you want a different, sometimes it doesn't give you an option if you just go to manage ads. So you want to go to create ads. And this is actually taking me to the page I was already on previously. So when you normally do it, you're going to go to the campaign objective page, which is going to give you a list of all the different types of ads that you can run. Now, normally I've done a likes ad to build my community. They're targeted. I really love Facebook. Let me just tell you, I love doing Facebook ads. It's not a whole lot of money. It's not like I'm spending thousands of dollars. I have a budget per month set aside to get more eyes on what I'm doing, get more eyes on my brand. And unfortunately, the way Facebook has their software or algorithm set up, people are only seeing like 2 to 3% of your posts. So you are on your Facebook business page and you are doing all these posts, and you notice that you're getting maybe 1 or sometimes no clicks. Nobody is seeing your stuff. And Facebook does that on purpose. I get it. It's pay to play, in this arena, and I'm good with that because that's something that's easy to me. That's easy to do. I can go out and I can actually create a targeted audience who want what I have to offer, and I can get them into my community and create a community out of it. And so that's what I really love to do. And I learned all of this. If you want to know how I learned how to do Facebook ads and all kinds of different marketing strategies, I learned it through a company called MLSP. It's a marketing lead generation system. It's a training platform. It's a branding platform, a blogging platform. It has everything all under one roof. And I've been with them since 2010. And I learned almost everything I know because of this awesome community and this awesome program. So anyways, so when you go into this page, you're going to choose get video views. And mine is already there. So then it'll take you here, and you can name your campaign from here and then hit continue. And then what it's going to do is it's going to send you, just like all the other ads, it's going to have you set up your ad. Who do you want to target? Do you want just men, just women? Do you want both? What are the age ranges? Where does your target market hang out? So you should already know all this. You should have already done all of your target marketing and your ideal client work and to find out who is best suited for what you have to offer for your brand and for your business. So what I did was I kept just one location, which was the United States. I kept my age range was between for my audience, it's between 26 and 55, and I chose all men and women. And then I chose the English language for the U.S. If you push English, it'll give you options, and I push for the U.S. And then where it gets interesting. And let me just X out of here because I was kind of going over it. My computer was slow, so I had to open it up before I came on. All right, so here's where I think, I don't know, I'm just guessing, but here's where I think things got interesting for me because I did things a little different. Mark did a training, and this area, when it came to detailed targeting, he did it a little different. So that's what I decided to do. Now, normally I would go in here to pick, a demographic or basically people who match a certain criteria that I'm looking for. So when I click on it, you kind of can already see some of the things that I've already kind of looked up before, like Robert Kiyosaki. He's all about network marketing. He's pro network marketing. He's pro business, pro entrepreneur. Todd Falcone is the network marketing master. I've been an affiliate salesperson for him for a long time. Network Marketing Pro, digital marketing. Now, the trick is you only want to pick one. You don't want to pick all. Some people will think, oh, the more the merrier. But in this case, you just want to pick one. So say we just pick Robert Kiyosaki here. And what you'll notice is you'll see exclude people or narrow your audience. And so what I did was I clicked narrow your audience. And what it does is it gives you a separate option. It says, and must also match at least one of the following. So maybe I picked Robert Kiyosaki here and I picked digital marketing here because I want people who are in the online marketing space. Okay. And it tells me when I click there, it obviously tells me how many people I would be targeting. And it tells me within that umbrella, I'd be targeting people who are interested in business and industry, online and digital marketing. Okay. And so I took it one step further. I think I just did one more narrow further. And I chose, let's say, Todd Falcone. Now, I can't remember if this was the mix that I chose, but I'm pretty sure there's some variation here. I'm pretty sure I chose Todd Falcone for sure because I do get a lot of results when I do like ads for him or for myself when I targeted him. And so these, of course, people that who are interested in Todd Falcone, who know Todd Falcone, which means they know network marketing. And I prefer people who are affiliated some way in the home business network marketing industry. They know it. They've been in it. They're pro network marketing. And, some people are looking, and some people are looking for help. So that's how I like to separate, my target audience that way. And so I just kept it at 3. Now, you can actually go as far as you want to narrow down your search, but I just kept it at 3, okay? And then, let's see, I just kept everything here. You can save your audience if you want to. Sometimes you can do that if you want to do some sort of comparison on what audience does better than others, so you can kind of compare with that. I kept my placement at automatic. Some people say choose your own placement, but I just kept it at automatic in this instance. And I kept my daily budget at $20 a day, and I ran it for 5 days. So I just $20 a day, ran it for 5 days. And it says I kept all of this. I didn't touch any of this here. Okay. And so, and then you hit continue. And what it will do is it'll show you, if you don't already have a video in there, which usually the best thing to do is just upload a video first, but you can also upload it from here too. It's just your preference. And then you kind of type it. It'll give you an option to type in your header. If you want to add a call to action to it, somewhere for them to go. If you have a free offer and you want them to click on it, you can add that in this area here. It'll also tell you, which business page are you representing? I have a few that I represent. And then my computer's really slow. So right now it would be showing, well, actually, no, because I don't have a video chosen or an image chosen, but it'll show you what your ad will look like on the desktop feed, mobile feed, also Instagram, your audience network, and your desktop right column. And then you just hit place order from there. So what I got was, this was my actual video that got video views from. I didn't boost it. I did an actual video views campaign. And let's see if it comes up. Yes. And my results were really amazing. I mean, I was really excited because I got 4,719 video views. I had a reach of 7,310. Now, what it doesn't show, and I'm going to pull it up. I think I can pull it up here. Hold on here. This is the video. Let me go to my home page. probably have to cut this out because it is slow. Okay, so I couldn't remember for the life of me my stats, so I had to pull it up. So basically I got, like I said, I had a reach of 7,300, I had 4,700 views, and it was only 2 cents per video view. I got, let's see here, I got blah, 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 117. This is what I didn't expect. I got 117 page likes, and I got 34 opt-ins. So I got 34 people. Not only did I get 4,000 video views, so 4,000 people seeing the Introvert Mogul brand, seeing what I have to offer, but they also 34 of those people actually clicked on and opted into my free offer. I had a free offer on there. All right. And I also didn't expect to get page likes because this wasn't a likes ad. You know, I got 117 likes. Now, let me tell you, I've done likes ads before. And I think one time I got maybe I'm going to tell you a really bad likes ad. I think I got maybe 65, 70 likes. And I think it was almost $1 a click. That was like my worst ad. It was like I got 60 likes and it was like $1 a click. And I think my best was maybe 36 cents or 32 cents. And I got, quite a few likes, maybe 100, 120 likes. But this was 117 likes for only 2 cents. That's friggin' amazing. So that's it. If you haven't done a video views ad, you gotta do a video views ad. I don't know, I might just do that from now on and see. I'm gonna try another one and see if I get similar results. And I actually did a long video. My video was like 6 minutes long. And normally Mark Hubbard would only suggest maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So I did 5 minutes long and I got all of that. Plus I got a bunch of shares. I had a bunch of people sharing my video, and that never happened before when I did an ad of any kind. I've never had, I have people sharing on my personal page, but that never happened. Strangers just sharing my video and also commenting on my video. I had quite a few comments as well. So if you haven't invested in, Facebook ads, they don't cost a lot of money. You can set aside a budget. Like I said, I even boosted the same ad. That was 1 cent per view, and I got about 1,000 video views and a couple of, I think I even got a couple of likes from that, for my page, and I got a couple of comments from that. So it's really beneficial that you invest in doing Facebook ads. Now, if you want to learn how to do it, like I said, I learned from the best, the top trainers, the top earners, 7-figure earners who are specialized in stuff like this in our MLSP program, My Lead System Pro. I will never leave this industry. I will never leave My Lead System Pro because I've learned so much and I've gained so much from being in this community. So if you want to know more about MLSP, go ahead and click the link below. Leave a comment if you're on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, thanks again for joining me, and bye-bye for now.